unimpeachable hard toil, and then etching out one's name in golden letters, carving a niche in the highly competitive steel sector is not everybody's cup of tea. Except for a few incredibly determined people like Shri Jagdish Jain, who has been contributing at large towards erecting a strong nation. Making India stand apart in the global steel segment has been a remarkable endeavor by extraordinarily capable Jai Bharat group of companies, which manufactures the extremely strong Jai Bharat Sarya. Today, Jai Bharat Sarya stands stoically within almost all important construction structures of North India. The striking far-sightedness and judgmental ability of Shri Jagdish Jain have proved to be the strongest pillars behind the success of the group. At the same time, the onus of the group's overall activities lies on the hard-working and stable shoulders of his younger brother, Shri Jaipal Jain. With such immense and credible potential, it would not be an exaggeration to say that
हमारा लोहा दुनिया माने।
हमने सन 59 से
we started iron business with a small shop in 1959, and then there was no looking back. In 1968, we shifted our business from iron to machinery, and in 1984, we started our plant with the name Jai Bharat Sarya. For the last many decades, Jai Bharat Group has been successfully manufacturing structural steel products like angle, channel, girder, NS ingot, PVC storage tank, copper cables, coal, coke oven product, and TMT steel bars through its 5 functional units. Though a business entity, but for Jai Bharat Group, it is much more beyond just business. It is the philosophical nectar of faith and associations built over the years. And this is the reason behind the widespread web of hundreds of dealers and distributors, workforce, and an upward financial graph. Of all the steel products of Jai Bharat Group, from our foundation year in 1984 until today, we are surging ahead with hard work and dedication of our family. And today, Jai Bharat has made its mark in India. This is nothing but our hard work and passion, which is showing in the form of success. Today, everyone is aware of our brand. This is our hard work. Otherwise, it would not be easy to be successful. Jai Bharat TMT Sarya is the prime product, which is at the apex of the demand-supply graph of northern, western, and central India. Jai Bharat TMT Sarya has exceptional features like earthquake resistance, corrosion resistance, and heat resistance, along with impeccable bending and welding ability that gives 20% more strength and flexibility together to the bar. This makes Jai Bharat TMT Sarya a first choice among the customers as compared to ordinary steel bars. The Research and Development Department of Jai Bharat constantly keeps an eye on the latest researches and technologies developing on the global level and puts an effort to access them from India's point of view and to incorporate them in their own work pattern so that we not only can pace up with the Indian context but also globally. It is the duty of people of our generation to take the goodwill ahead that is created by our elders. Our mill in Kala Amb feeds steel requirements of northern India. Our rolling mill is soon coming under production in Shamli, Uttar Pradesh. We have built trust in the hearts of our customers with respect to quality. We can make available all our varieties like square, angle, channel, flat, girder, TMT to the customers from one place to their satisfaction. In the coming time also, we shall take care of our customers' needs with respect to quality, dispatch, sale and all other aspects. Each stage of the manufacturing process is supervised through latest automatic machines. All the physical, chemical and mechanical properties are incorporated in the steel bar right at the first stage. And this is done through the most modern global technology. After the thermomechanical treatment, the steel bar gets commendable strength, ductability and immense load-bearing capacity. The Saria undergoes tough, rigorous quality checks in each stage of production before it is cut into sizes according to international standards. And only then does the bar get the mark of Jai Bharat TMT. The structural steel product manufactured by Jai Bharat also enjoys equal acceptance and success in the northern, western and central regions of India, just like the TMT bar. Useful in all kinds of constructions, these structural steel products have left prints everywhere for their flawless quality. Jai Bharat has its own melting division. We test the product before melting and before dispatch. Our motive is to retain our trust in our customer's heart forever. Today we are making up to 415 to 450 grades and have the potential to make 500D. People trust us because of this. Hamara loha duniya mane. After tasting overwhelming success in Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Shamli in Uttar Pradesh, very shortly, Jai Bharat would commence production in various other states too. Jai Bharat Group today is the most talked about brand in all major construction companies. And a prime tool behind this has been our grand advertising campaign. Jai Bharat is well known among most government and non-government organizations through all mediums of television and outdoor. Jai Bharat, along with manufacturing TMT Saria in its own plant, also works in the franchisee pattern. Our aim is to give our customer the best product. For this, we have the world's best technologies with us. We have diversified in our product range and manufacture. Saria, angle, channel, girder, stair, round. We constantly try to upgrade and give even better steel to our customers. Jai Bharat Group believes in providing the best steel at the right time to the customer. We have upgraded ourselves over the years and have always been successful in imbibing international quality in our products. Now, Jai Bharat is witnessing a new sunrise, and the group's future is secure in the right hands of the new youthful generation. Working on the lines, Jai Bharat Group still and shall remain firm policy of giving the best quality products on the dot to its customers. Jai Bharat Group, along with being forward in steel manufacturing, is also equally forward in welfare and CSR activities like organizing blood camps and much more. Jai Bharat is not just a product, not just a name, but is the modern face of futuristic constructions, जिसका लोहा दुनिया माने।